Hello children, good morning. Okay, so what we are going to do today? Yes, today we are going to learn all the different types of shapes. Yes, now children, you have already learned this. Yes, but you will see that there is a twist at the end. So now you tell me the different type of shapes that you remember. Yes, can you tell me? Circle, correct. Very good. And then? Yes, triangle. Okay. And square. Very good. And rectangle. Yes, do you remember all these four shapes? That is very nice. So let us revise one more time. Now what is this children? Circle, round and round, isn't it? Like football, a button in your shirt, and pizza, donuts, and a slice of orange or an orange or sweet lime is all circle, isn't it? Round and round. That is circle. Next, what is this? Square, where four sides are equal, like in carom board. Yes, and dice. You play snake and ladders? Yes, Ludo. You use a dice? That is square. Your bread, which you use for bread and jam or sandwich, is square in shape, or a window, a ice cube, or a blackboard may be square. Yes? Okay, so all these are examples of square. Then we have the triangle, like in your birthday cap, or a joker's cap, or ice cream. Yes, all these are examples for triangle. It has three sides. And rectangle, this has four sides where the opposite sides are equal. Two are long and two are short. Yes, like in window, or a chocolate bar, or a rupee note. Yes, so all these are examples of rectangle. So we saw the four shapes. Yes, now would you all like to sing a rhyme? Yes, ready? Okay, so let's start. A circle's like a ball, a circle's like a ball. Round and round it never stops, a circle's like a ball. A square is like a box, a square is like a box. It has four sides, they are all the same. A square is like a box. A triangle has three sides. A triangle has three sides. Up the mountain, down and back, a triangle has three sides. A rectangle has four sides. A rectangle has four sides. Two are long and two are short. A rectangle has four sides. Hey! Enjoyed the poem, children? Yes? Okay, so now you know all the four shapes. You know what they mean, how many sides they have. Yes? Very good. Now, what are we going to do? A small activity. You like to do all these types of activities, isn't it? Yes? We are going to match the shape. Okay? This is not in your textbook, children. This we are doing for our fun. So let's start. Now, can you match? Yes? Ready? Okay. Circle to circle. Correct? Okay, then what is the shape? Triangle to triangle. The square to square. Yes? Correct? Next, rectangle to rectangle. And this is oval shape, egg shape. Okay? Done? Enjoy this activity? Okay, so you're now very familiar with all the shapes, children. So next, this is one more activity for you. Now, what they've asked us to do? Match the object to its correct shape. Now, one side you can see that there are different objects, and one side we have the shapes. Okay, so now tell me, what is this? A mobile. Which shape it is? Rectangular in shape. So we are going to match here. Okay? Yes? Next, ball. Ball, shape of a circle. Okay? Now joker's cap, I said you, it is triangle. And the gift box is square in shape. Yes? Understood? Okay, the objects are matched to their shape. Okay, children? So now, what we are going to do here? Open your books to page 3636. Yes, shapes together. Put today's date, write CW, class work. Okay? Now, change the shapes into objects and color them. One example is done for you. Now you can see here, children, the circle is changed into an object. Yes, it is a smiley face. Yes, smiley face using a circle. Okay, so that is one example what is done. And what we have to do? There are different shapes given. We have to change them into objects. Okay, now your children, teacher has already done. Okay, you can do any object you like, children, which is easy for you, which you like, you can do. Okay, now this rectangle I have changed into a envelope. Circle, ball. Yes, square into a dais. And this is also square, a window. This is a joker's cap made from triangle. This is rectangle. I have done it into a photo frame and your cute photo inside that. Yes. And this is triangle and I have made a slide. Okay. Which you play in the playground. Yes. Okay. You can do any objects you like which are easy for you and which you can do, and then color them. Okay. So you can see here all the objects. Yes, children? Okay. Now moving on to page number 37. Color the shape that is different in each row. Okay. Now odd man out, you remember, children, which does not belong in this group. We have circled that before. We have done this activity before. Same thing we are going to do here. Okay. Now they have asked us to color the shape that is different. Now tell me which is different here. This is different here. So let us color this. You color it neatly. Okay, children? Okay. Now in the next row, which is different? Circle, 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 but this is a triangle. So color that. Okay. Now observe in the third row, we have only one rectangle and rest all are triangles. So we will color this rectangle. Now which is different in the last row? All are rectangles, but one square, you can see here one square here. So we are going to color that. Okay? Yes? color which is different, color the odd one out, color the odd man out. Okay, done? Okay, moving on to your homework pages, page number 7070. Ready, children? Teacher will show you 2 examples. Rest you are going to do. Yes, I am very sure you can do it, children. It's very easy and simple for you. Okay. So what they have asked us to do? Count the flowers and circle the correct number. Okay. So here we have 1, 2 and 3. So we are going to circle the number 3. Next, count how many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we are going to circle 7. Okay. Next, how many flowers here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are going to circle here 4. Okay. Now we are going to do the rest. Yes? Very good. So moving on to next page, 71. 7171. Count and match the numbers. Now numbers are given and objects are given. We have to count the objects and match them to the number. So now let us see 3. Now where is 3? We are going to find out where is 3. Oh, I can see it here. So we are going to match here. Okay. Done? Now number 5. So let us count the objects where we can see 5 objects. Yes? Okay, I can see here 5 and 5 here. 5 socks. We are going to match that. Done? Okay, very good. Which is the next number, children? 6. So let us match where we can see 6 objects. Yes, tell me fast. Okay, I can see the juicy mangoes are 6. So let us join here. Okay. Rest you are going to do. Pakka promise? Yes? Okay, very good, children. I hope you like this lesson and it is very creative, isn't it, this lesson? You can draw, you can color. Yes? Okay, children. Bye. Thank you. Take care and always keep smiling.